Ramon,
1 hour.
pupunta ka na doon ng mga 6 a.m.
A flight to Amsterdam?
Yeah.
Okay.
Amsterdam. This one is France, Finland.
Helsinki.
Helsinki.
Yeah, Raman, from Bergen to Amsterdam.
Yeah. The other one is Helsinki.
International flight.
Yeah.
We three are different flights.
Yeah, different flight, but everybody fly to Amsterdam?
No, the other is Finland.
Okay,
Helsinki.
Finland and Amsterdam.
Amsterdam, yeah. Only two.
So it's only international flight.
Yeah.
Only international
So
flight.
2 hours.
2 hours, yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Go from hotel 2 hours 10 minutes before.
Maaga ang ano. Balit doon na ako.
Kasi malapit lang eh. Malapit lang daw.
Balit doon na ako maghintay.
Oh. Allowance, 3 hours. O 2.5.
May pagkain pa kaya tayo ngayong gabi dyan?
Meron ba siguro? Ay, wala na siguro. Morning lang siguro.
Wala na rin ako siguro. Ayan.
Kadalasan alas 10 lang eh.
Oh.
The dinner in the hotel is only 10 ah. Dinner in the hotel, only 10. And then 7 o'clock in the morning, breakfast.
Maybe from 6 o'clock, I don't know.
Sira,
Maybe
hindi na
from...
makakain.
Oh yeah, tomorrow is Saturday night.
Sunday.
Tomorrow is Sunday.
Yeah, Sunday. Maybe no.
Maybe 7.
7.
Si Ramon, hindi na makakakain to sa hotel. Wala na, alis na ako.